Hello everybody, today I'm going to introduce to you is ABSS accounting software. Before I going to do the demonstration to you, like for example, how to enter your day-to-day transactions like your sales, your purchase and create a customer and supplier listing, let me introduce our company. We are Apscom Solutions. We are a local company and we are a platinum partner with ABSS. So basically, ABSS don't do direct sales in a way that they only sell you the software, but they don't provide a service. So that's the reason they engage us as a partner. We are working very closely with them. And we are very proud to say that we are the platinum partner. Until today, we still are the platinum partner. And in the future, I believe that we will be a platinum partner as well. So let's see what we will provide for you that make you feel that our service is important. Okay, for example, I would say that when you buy a software, right, you will need people to set up for you, and you need a training and you need a support after sales service as well. So we provide everything for you. First of all, we start from implementation service. We will set up the database for you. We will create a forms like for example your invoice format, your PO, everything according to your company format. And after this, we will provide a webinar training that is a unlimited receipt up to 12 months. So meaning to say that, for example, this section you attend already, you feel that you got a question or you want to have a refreshment training or you want to ask more questions, you can attend our next sections. So every month, we have minimum 4 sections for you. We break down to basic and advanced sections. So after the trainings, right, what you can do is you go back and hands-on do all your everything, your data entry, so that's all. But once you encounter a question, you can give us a call. You can WhatsApp us as well. So we provide the support as well. That's what we will provide to you. So after you see what we can provide to you as a service and see who our happy customer, all these our happy customer. And I will say that we still got a lot of long list, but we cannot just show you all, so we just select a few customer and show you that you may or may not know who are them. So I will say that in fact we served more than the 2,000 SMB in the whole Singapore. We are getting more and more lists and we hope you are one of them. So after this, let's go to the demonstration. So now, let's take a look for MYOB. This is the glance for MYOB that we include all this module. You will get all relevant things. So start from account list. I will say that all this is chart of account that basically is included in our service that will create the chart of account for you. So I won't go into very detail for how to create a chart of account. So let's go to the card file and the card list to create a customer. Very simple one. Just create a new, let's say for this ABC Private Limited. You just need to key in the company name, the address and the phone, email address and the contact person. And after that, that's all. And the certain of the setting out from here you have to create as well. So after that, same thing for supplier. So I will show you how to create a supplier because it's the same thing. And now you can go to inventory. And let's say you're doing trading, you create as an item inventory. Let's say you provide as a service, you can create as a service item. Or you don't want to create as any service item, you can surely just key in the description also you can. So I have created my iPhone and my service A from here. So again, I will go and show you how to create the item because all this will cover during the training. So maybe let's start from a purchase. How to enter the purchase? Maybe we start for the PO. I start for the PO, convert to invoice. Now I raise a PO to 123. I want to raise 100 pieces of iPhone. Okay. And the price I have get from my last purchase price. And after that, straight away I can print out as a PO. Before that, system will ask me, do you want to record it? Just click yes. And let's see the standard sample PO. There you go. So after that, this is spelling check, you can ignore it. So after maybe 1 month, your goods comes in, or maybe 1 week, just simply go and find back this PO and convert to bill when you receive your supplier invoice. You don't need to rekey anything. You just need to type the supplier invoice number and change the date, and simply record it, and that's all. That's how to do the purchase. So what I can see from here is my aging is up to date. Straight away I can open my aging. Okay, see, there's captures inside. So if I want to make a payment, I can come here to make the pay bill. So pay from which bank or cash, pay to who, and what's my check number, maybe UOB, blah blah blah. And also I just want to make partial payment 50,000. I just key 50,000 and click which invoice I want to pay to. If I want to make the full payment for all the invoice, right, basically I can click this pay all. It will automatically select all and knock off all and click record will do. Okay, so that's all about the purchase. So after the purchase, let's see sales. Go to sales and enter sales. Let's start from quotation. So we can from system create a quotation to your customer, and then once the customer confirm, we can straight away convert the quotation to invoice. So you no need to go and retype everything again. So select the customer ABC Private Limited, and how many quantity? 10 pieces of iPhone. Okay, and the price we can prefix, or you want to change during the transaction, you still can change it. And if everything is good, straight away you can preview your quotation, and we can design the format for you as I mentioned before. But let's see the standard sample format, how it looks like. It will be a standard like this. Okay, so after that, maybe like 1 week later, customer say, hey, hello, I want to confirm this quotation. Can you bill me? Can you give me an invoice? We will say yes. Go to quotation, select the quotation and change to invoice. And if the customer will give you the PO, you can also input their PO number, and also straight away you can print out as an invoice. So it's only one click of button, everything is at there. You no need to go and retype everything. Okay, that's a sample format. Of course, we'll design according to your format. So after this, straight away you also can see your agent report is up to date. You can see who still owe you the money. For example, ABC Private Limited still owe me 18179.30, and straight away you can pick out the phone to call. Hey Agnes, you owe me 18179.30. Agnes might say, hey, can I know what is the 044? Can I know the details? Straight away you can drill down and take a look and show them. Okay, so that's how and all about the daily transaction, and it will be what you need to do. So it's very simple few steps. Give us a call to know about ABSS and let me know if you got any more questions. Okay, thank you.